Okay, guys, so I wanted to tell you about this cool software, Zoomit, especially with the post-COVID-19 world we live in. Almost all teaching is online now, right? So I'm also teaching online, and I was looking for a software that has really good shortcut keys, especially when it comes to drawing. So Zoomit has really cool features. It is free, and you can download it. I'll give you the download link. It's just a little bit more than half an MB download. So when you run it, you see you see the window that gives you options to set up these shortcut keys. So by default, it's just Control 1. If you wanna do Control like Q 1, 2, 3, whatever you prefer, you can set up the shortcut key. This lets you zoom in, and you can set up the level of magnification, right, that you want to go to. And so if I run this now, so if I press OK and then press Control 1, it starts the zoom, right, and you can zoom into any part of the screen. Now, if you press Control 1 again, you go back, and now let's look at the drawing part, which is my favorite. So I've set up this key, Control D. You can click on this and set up a different key if you want. So now I'm going to press OK, and then I'm going to press Control D, and it's gonna well, let me just first go to this PDF. I'm going to give you the link to this PDF also that explains all these features, drawing features that this has. Okay, and I'm going to press Control D. Now you can see that a pen appeared on the screen, and I can write anything on the screen I want, right? And if you press E, right, so if you draw a few things and then you wanna erase the last one, you can use Control Z for that. So that's this one. If you press E, it's gonna erase everything on the screen. If you hold Control and press up and down, it's gonna make the pen thicker, more thick or less, right? So that this makes it more thick, right? So let's go back to that, erase everything. So this is my favorite. You can change the color of the pen. So you can, if you press R, which I already have, that's red. You can also go green, right? So this is green. You can go blue. That's blue. So let's erase everything. So now another very interesting feature is that you can draw straight lines, right? So if you let it go at an angle, it just makes it horizontal itself. You can also draw lines at an angle. So this is really cool. If you press Control, it lets you draw boxes, right? It's really good. And if you press Tab, it lets you draw circles. There you go. And so if you do Shift Control, it lets you draw arrows, right? So this is awesome. Now, one of the best things is that you can go to a wide screen also, completely wide screen or completely black screen. So if you press W, it takes you to a wide screen, and you can write on that screen, right? If you, so I'm going to press, you can press the right click twice also to go back to where you were, and press Control D again to start. So now if you press K, you can get a black screen also, which is awesome. And then so you can also, so while typing on the screen, if you press Control C, it copies the screen, and if you press Control S, you can also save a screenshot. Now the last thing is that you can, if you press T, it lets you you can start typing on the screen, right? So see, that's any way you want. So that's also awesome. So so these were the interesting features of Zoomit, especially when it comes to drawing on the screen. Thanks for watching.